What's up guys, Braden here with SuperATV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's Outfitter roof rack on this Can-Am Defender, so let's get right to it. So here we have our Outfitter roof rack laid out. This roof rack's already been installed in the machine, so it's already assembled, but we wanted to go over some key features, couple quick tips on the installation for this. And the first thing that we're going to talk about and highlight is going to be our T-slot slats. So as you can see across the top here, we have all of these T-slot slats. The biggest thing with these is there's two different mounting positions. So you have the upper set of holes, which are going to be at the top, and then the lower. So what that's going to do is, if you want to have your cargo sitting down below the sides of the Outfitter roof rack, you can drop it down to the lower position, or if you have an Outfitter bed rack, you can line these up perfectly. So if your bed rack was sitting on the upper shelf, you can do that on your roof rack as well. That way everything fits flawlessly. Next thing we're going to talk about is going to be the ends. So as you can see, you have a front, a cap here, and then a rear. These can easily be removed. So if you wanted to haul lumber, maybe you had a kayak that you wanted to haul, anything that's longer than what the actual roof rack is, you can easily remove these end caps here. It's just a couple screws, couple nuts. It can be done in a matter of a minute, 2 minutes tops. So you do that, you can lower your slats down, and you can haul, you can haul any kind of lumber, whatever you need that is longer than what the roof rack is itself. Another thing is the mounting. These mounting brackets install very easily. On the sides of the roof rack, you're gonna have a grab bar. That grab bar so you can pull yourself up there, get up top, get any kind of cargo that you may have up here, anything that you're storing. So your hardware is gonna go directly through the flange, the flat on the grab bar, through your mounting brackets. Now these mounting brackets, what you're gonna do once you laid your roof up on your machine, you're gonna drill holes down through your roof. Whether you have a SuperATV roof, an OE roof, doesn't matter what roof you have, the biggest thing is you just wanna leave these brackets loose. That's just a quick, easy tip there. You don't wanna leave them loose to where they're flopping around. You just wanna kind of snug them to where you can adjust them up and down. That way you know that all of the mounting positions are sitting at the same angle. You don't have one that's pulling down tighter than the other, and it's gonna make this roof rack look amazing. So moving on, we have our cube light locations here. So these roof racks are set up ready to go for cube lights. Various options there on cube lights, obviously. You can always pick some up at SuperATV.com. We have our cube lights. They work perfectly with this roof rack here. Have multiple tie down points to where you could put straps. That's what these cutouts are here on the sides. Like I said, we got multiple cutouts there for the straps. You can mount light bars to this. There's endless options with the Outfitter roof rack. It's a great, the handles here on the sides, you can hang, Texas rigs, blind bags, whatever you want to run, this Outfitter rack is ready for you. In this T-slot here, this is set up for any kind of T-slot attachment to drop down in this channel. So this right here is a T-slot. Essentially, it's just a bolt that has the side shaved off of it to where it's a flat, just perfect rectangular, or a T if you look at it like this. So what that does is it drops down in this rail, and then all you have to do is tighten it. As you can see, that's how quick it was. It just goes in, and you can tighten up. So this T-slot has endless options. You can get all kinds of attachments for T-slot from various places, various stores, across the web, in-store, wherever you like to shop. I guarantee you they have T-slot attachments for you. So just to show you here, this is where you would mount your slat in the lower position. It's gonna sit down here, something like this. If you wanna go to the upper, you would just slide it right up here, put your hardware in. It's just that easy. Or maybe you wanna do a staggered setup. Maybe for these two, you wanna leave these high, the front one. This one you drop it down, so that way you have storage on top, storage in the middle. If you had something like a lawn chair or anything that was small, maybe tripods, whatever you're utilizing, you have endless options with this outfitter rack to customize it and set it up exactly how you want it. So here we have a kayak mount. It utilizes a T-slot mounting system. I'm just gonna show you how easy this is. What you do is you just line up the T-slot and just tighten your hardware up. Kayak mounts in here, fastened down, ready to go. Now we're just gonna grab our slat, get our hardware, just go ahead and install it into the upper position here. So now we're gonna take our roof rack and install it to our machine. Definitely a good idea to have somebody help you. So with the outfitter roof rack, you're gonna have to drill holes down through your roof in order to mount it to your roof. The best thing to do is to have somebody help you, get it centered up the best that you possibly can, go through, mark your holes, drill them, and then once all your holes are drilled, you're just gonna take your hardware, which you'll have a small Allen headed screw with a 10mm nut, and you'll have this style of clamp. So these are very easy to operate. This clamp is just gonna lip into the channel on the cage, and your hardware is gonna come down through the roof, so it's gonna go through your bracket, on your outfitter rack, through the roof, and then on the bottom side. So it'll be sitting like this. You'll take your 10mm nut, install it. I recommend getting everything started before you fully tighten it, including your brackets, your mounting brackets on your outfitter roof rack. So now we're gonna go through, get all our hardware installed. Now we're gonna take our hardware, drop it down through our bracket through our roof, and we're gonna take our mounting bracket here, slide it onto our hardware. Now we're just gonna continue going through installing our hardware. Once we have all our hardware installed, we're just gonna fully tighten it. All right guys, so once you have all your hardware fully tightened, you have your roof rack set up exactly how you want it. That's all there is to it to install SuperATV's outfitter roof rack on this Can-Am Defender. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.